In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn lead forms with Gohighlevel. We'll be working inside your Gohighlevel account, and this is a quick setup that helps prepare your sub-account for LinkedIn lead form integration. If you want your leads to flow in more smoothly, this is an important place to start. First, go ahead and open Gohighlevel and sign into your account. Once you're in, make sure you are inside the correct sub-account. This is important because settings in Gohighlevel can vary depending on which account or client workspace you're currently viewing. If you manage multiple sub-accounts, take a second to confirm you're in the right one before moving forward. After that, look for the settings option and click on it. This is where you'll find many of the account level configuration options that control integrations, features, and other tools available inside the platform. Since we're enabling a LinkedIn related feature, this is the section where that setup begins. Once you're inside settings, go to the left-hand menu and click on Labs. The Labs area is where Gohighlevel places newer or optional features that may need to be manually turned on before you can use them. If you don't usually visit this section, that's completely normal. It's simply where experimental or rollout-based features are managed. Now in the Labs section, scroll down until you find LinkedIn. Depending on your screen size or how many features are listed in your account, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the LinkedIn related option and not another feature with a similar layout. When you find it, turn on the toggle for LinkedIn Marketplace Migration. This is the key step in the process. Enabling this option allows the LinkedIn connection feature to be activated for your sub-account, which is necessary for moving forward with LinkedIn lead form connectivity inside Gohighlevel. Once the toggle is switched on, that part of the setup is complete. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and make sure the toggle stays enabled. In some cases, refreshing the page afterward can help confirm that the setting has been saved properly. That's it for this setup walkthrough. You've now enabled the LinkedIn setting needed inside Gohighlevel, and your sub-account is better prepared for LinkedIn lead forms integration.